guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. These are the materials that you will need to complete this hairstyle. So here I am starting on freshly washed hair. I have the front left out so I can do individual box braids. And yes, I do notice that my hair is uneven. I had a mishap with some scissors at one time. So I have my cornrows going straight to the back. They're all connected. I don't have any fancy design. They just all go straight back. So I unravel the front of my hair and start parting for where I want my individual box braids to go. I'm not doing many. I'm only doing enough to cover where my crochet braids will start. Here I'm adding shine and jam to smooth out the edges and make sure that the parting is very clean. So I section off a piece of hair for the size that I desire for my box braid. Just doing my individual box braid. I continue on braiding down until I reach the end. When I get as far as I can with braiding, I take the end pieces, I connect two together to make two legs instead of three, and I do a 2-strand twist. And I twist the legs as I am making the twist. And there we have our first individual box braid. Continue until your front is complete. Here we have our DIY crochet braids. We're going to put our individual box braids up out of the way. You take your crochet latch hook and begin to crochet your individual crochet braids. Now for spacing, I'm doing 2 finger spacing. You do not want to put a whole lot of braids in the back of your hair, because what will happen is it will be really chunky at the bottom and very thin at the top, and that's not what we want. And after you complete that, continue on until you have crocheted the rest of your hair. crocheting your hair in, go ahead and take some boiling hot water and dip your individual box braids in there. This is going to seal our ends. Take a towel to dry and smooth the ends down. As you can tell, my ends didn't smooth as much as I wanted them to, so I'm going to re-dip them to make them straighter. After you have completed this step, go ahead and apply foaming mousse to lay down your flyaways. And for most of us, we like to lay our edges, so go ahead and lay and slay your edges. This is how I do my DIY crochet braids. So if you check back in my last video, I showed you how I actually made my crochet braids. And of course, I showed you my installation. So I decided to go ahead and put some box braids in the front. Now, I'm not one to like the look of the crochet braids in the beginning in front of my hairline. I only have 11 of those, so they didn't take very long. So shortly an hour, you can have box braids, long box braids. Let me show you how long they are. I don't know if I'm getting it all. And I am 5'3", so if that gives you a little bit of how long they are on me. That's it. If you guys would like another hairstyle tutorial, if you had any questions on any materials that I used, what kind of hair I used, I'll be in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will get back to you in my next video. Bye.